Good afternoon, folks. Hope you're having a good day. It is January the 4th, 2022. Temps in Zone 9B, Florida have not dipped down below 55 at all this year or last year yet, as far as late last year goes. What we're looking at here is a store-bought sweet potato. They seem to be doing good. They're probably near that time where they should be harvested. I'm not sure. I'm going to check my notes soon, and then we'll get a follow-up video when that time does come. But this is the Tai Nung 64 variety that is not the grocery store variety that does extremely well in Florida environment. So they seem to be doing really well. Let's go look at the original planting of the Tai Nung 64 out in the sun. They're still holding on, and it's winter time, so I mean, they're not doing too terrible. You see how the sun affects them in a negative kind of way, in my opinion. But yeah, they're still doing something. I might just cut all these, harvest the potatoes, and move these plants to the other spot. Anyhow, just keeping you updated on the progress of these sweet potatoes. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.